Welcome to episode 2 of the Iron Born podcast. Today we're going to be talking about something that's essential for everyone, the importance of getting regular haircuts and beard trims. We all know that our hair is a significant part of our appearance and personality, regardless of our gender. Taking care of it is crucial, and that's why I want to share some valuable expert insights and tips with you. Whether you're new to grooming or someone who's been doing it for years, this episode will have something for you. So sit back, grab a drink, and let's dive right in. Regular haircuts are important for many reasons. They help keep our hair healthy by preventing split ends and other types of damage. During a haircut, a stylist can also check for signs of scalp issues or hair thinning and suggest the appropriate course of action. Additionally, getting a fresh haircut can make us feel more confident and put together. At Iron Born Barbershop, we offer a range of services such as classic haircuts, fades, beard trims and shaves. Our team of skilled barbers provide personalised attention and ensure that every client leaves the shop happy with their experience. Iron Born Barbershop understands that a good haircut is more than just a quick trim. We value creating a relationship with our clients and understanding their individual needs and preferences. Getting regular haircuts can have a positive impact on our mental health and overall well-being. For many of us, our hair is a reflection of our identity, and having a good hair day can make us feel confident and energised. On the other hand, having a bad hair day can make us feel down or self-conscious. By getting regular haircuts, we can maintain a consistent and polished appearance, which can improve our self-esteem and mental health, and it also helps us feel more control in our appearance, which can translate to other areas of our lives. The act of taking care of ourselves helps us feel more confident and empowered. In addition to the psychological benefits, getting regular haircuts can also have physical health benefits. Trimming our hair regularly can help keep it healthy and prevent split ends and damage. This in turn can reduce the need for more drastic haircuts or treatments in the future, which can save us time and money. Overall, taking care of our hair can have a positive impact on our mental health and well-being. We hope you found our discussion informative and insightful, and remember, taking care of your hair and facial hair is not just about looking good, but also feeling good. By getting regular haircuts and beard trims, you can maintain a polished appearance, boost your confidence and improve your overall well-being. And if you're looking for quality hair care services, be sure to visit us at Iron Born Barbershop. We're committed to providing personalised attention and helping you achieve your hair and beard goals. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert advice and insights on all things grooming. Until next time, take care of yourself and your hair.